Good day, sir. I am Jake Orimo, and we are from Section 4H.
And I am Dave Libot-Libot.
And I am Roel Malisa.
Today, we will gonna tackle about the hydrostatic table for shape. First, displacement. Displacement in hydrostatic table refers to the weight of the volume of water that the ship displaces when it's floating. According to Archimedes' principle, this displaced water's weight is equal to the total weight of the ship itself. It includes lightweight, cargo, fuel, ballast, crew, and stores. Second, TPC. What TPC stands for? So, it stands for tons per centimeter. TPC requires to change the ship's mean draft by exactly 1 centimeter. MTC. MTC stands for moment to change trim by 1 centimeter. MTC is the moment that needs to be applied to a ship to change its trim by exactly 1 centimeter. A high MTC means it takes a large moment to change the trim by 1 centimeter, indicating greater longitudinal stability, while low MTC means it's more sensitive to weight shifts along its length. What is LCB? LCB stands for longitudinal center of buoyancy. The LCB is the front and back location of the center of buoyancy. LCB influence on how the ship will sit in the water both longitudinally and in terms of its overall stability. LCF. LCF stands for longitudinal center of flotation. LCF is the front to back location of the geometric center of the ship water plane area. Imagine looking down at the ship from above. The LTC is the balancing point of the shape of the ship where it meets the water. LCF provides the pivotal point around which the ship fore and aft attitude changes.
This is our examples. Step 1. Find the mean draft. This is my formula. Mean draft equals open parenthesis F plus A close parenthesis divide 2. Open parenthesis 7.00 plus 9.50 close parenthesis divide 2 equals 16.50 divide 2 equals 8.25 meters. Step 2. Find trim. Trim equals aft to minus forward. 9.50 aft minus 7.00 forward equals 2.50 meters. Step 3. Displacement. From hydrostatic table at 8.25 meters, displacement equals 12,000 tons, meaning this is the total weight of the ship including the cargo, fuel, ballast, crew, and light ship. Step 4. TPC calculation example. This is a situation. Cargo loaded equals 250 tons. Then TPC equals 2.5 tons per centimeter. Formula. This is my formula. Changing draft equals weight divide TPC. The changing draft is 250 divide 25 equals 10 centimeter. And draft increased by 10 centimeter.
Step 5. Trimming moment. The situation. 250 tons loaded. Distance from LCF equals 20 meters forward. The formula. trimming moment minus weight times distance. 250 times 20 equals 5,000 ton minus m. Trimming moment equals 5,000 ton minus m. Step 6. Change in trim using MCTC. MCTC equals 200 ton minus meters. Formula: change in trim, trimming moment divided by MCTC equals 5,000 divided by 200 equals 25 centimeter. Trim changes by 25 centimeter forward. Since the weight is forward, shifts trims forward. Step 7. LCB and LCF meaning. LCB equals 1.5 meters aft or midship, meaning center of buoyancy is located 1.5 meters aft. If LCB moves aft minus ship trims astern, LCF equals 2.0 meters aft of midship, meaning ship rotates around this point when trimming.